Hi, I'm Esther, and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And we cook together every Monday on YouTube, and let's see what we're cooking today. Today we are making a rigatoni with beef sauce, and I already started browning the ground beef. And if you watched my very first Minden on YouTube, I showed you this handy dandy chopping tool that I kind of just chop up the ground beef. And the reason I'm doing it in this pot is I already drained the rigatoni just so I don't give you my back. It takes about 7 minutes to make, and once I drained it, I'm going to brown the ground beef in the exact same pot so there is no mess, because if you're cooking really fast, you don't want to spend all day cleaning up. And the reason I decided to make this is Giant Eagle had sent me a beautiful gift basket, and they said to tag them when I make something, and I'm making it today. Inside the gift basket were the rigatoni, and there was also some beautiful olive oil. And what I did was I took a little bit of the olive oil and I put it in the water that I was boiling with some salt so that none of the noodles stuck together, and then also this great marinara sauce. I've been making this recipe since college, and all it is ground beef, and then I chopped up a whole green pepper. And you don't even have to drain the ground beef, because I bought a lean pound of ground beef, so it only has 4% fat in it, and there's not much fat in the pan, and a little bit that is in here will just add some flavor to the sauce and make the sauce not as thick. You can have this dinner ready in 7 minutes on the table for you, for your family. It is hearty. If you don't eat beef, substitute the protein with a meat substitute or chicken or turkey. And if you don't like to use a pasta, you can always use a zoodle, which is like a zucchini noodle or a carrot noodle or any other type of low carb option. All in one pot. We're just gonna pour the rigatoni, and then a whole jar of pasta sauce. And what I like to do is, sometimes pasta sauce can get a little thick. I always add a little bit of water. And that's it. Let it simmer up. Dinner is served in about 7 minutes. It's an easy dinner, it's hearty, and if you are only cooking for yourself, you can eat this all week. It'll be one of those meal preps that you can have all week. Thank you for joining us. Each week we bring you a different recipe. We're not reinventing the wheel, it's just different dinner ideas. Sometimes we wonder, what can I make for dinner? And I will give you an idea each Monday on YouTube. I will post a picture of the finished product on our Instagram, which is also Minden's, and you can also follow us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, and thank you so much, and I'll cook with you again next week where we'll bring you something different. What? I don't know.